I'm Ashton Hewitt, recently retired professional rugby player. I spent a lot of time working with young people. One of the main issues facing young men is the amount of influence that they're getting from different role models, how polarising things are becoming. Misogyny is something that's getting worse, particularly for young people. Some of the views that are being shared are becoming more radical. We need people to drive conversation, going about it in the right way.
I'm Lou and I work for White Ribbon. I really care about the boys in our country. I'm delivering the training today.
Being a White Ribbon and Sound ambassador is something to be proud of. Being in an environment with a group of other men, how impactful it is. One of our sessions touched on the language we use when having these conversations. Toxic masculinity was one that came up. It's something that I've used fairly frequently. I'm going to be completely honest, without these sessions, would I have picked up on the language being used around this particular topic? Probably not. The more you use that phrase and tell somebody they're toxic because of what they think and feel, they're going to put their guard up, and I've had plenty of those conversations. And it's finding that balance, be proactive in addressing it. I pride myself on trying to do good and make a difference, and this project and collaboration between White Ribbon and Sound is exactly that and is aiming to improve people's lives. So I'm all for it.